Hello everyone, this is Jesus from Hustling Labs, and today I wanted to give you a backstage view of what we're working on. A little bit more specifically, I'm talking about the plugins that we're building. We're building 50 plugins by the end of 2024, and I wanted to make sure that we're keeping you updated of what we're working on. Today is a little bit different than before, because today I want to talk to you about the Threads API plugin that we're working on that will be the first one on the Board Marketplace. But not only that, we're working on building complete solution for your needs. So this plugin will allow you to be a social media manager or to extract data from threads. And it will have most of the endpoints that are available right now on Threads API as of today, July 23, 2024. We're working on other plugins along those same lines. We're working with the Facebook API, the LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, many more plugins. But what makes this special is that we are the first one to release this kind of plugin into the Bubble Marketplace. Now, with that being said, I don't want to bore you with all the details and all the hype. Let me show you what we have been working on right now inside the plugin. And here we are in the plugin editor. As you can see, we already have a few endpoints available based on what is available, the Threads API documentation. We still have a little bit more to go, perhaps a few more days, but I wanted to show you what we have so far. So the workflow that will go is as follows. We will provide you with access to this editor, will allow you to grab the workflow that you need for your users to authorize the plugin to get access to a code that is provided by the platform. So you need to follow this convention, which is also under API documentation. Based on that, you will get a code which this endpoint will allow you to exchange that code for a user access token. Now, with that being said, that access token is only valid for 60 minutes. So we have developed a secondary endpoint that will exchange that short token for a long-lived token, which is valid for 3 to 6 months. I might be wrong on that one. I have to double check. With that being said, 3 to 6 months down the line, when you need to refresh that token, you will be able to go back and utilize this third endpoint to refresh that token to get another 3 to 6 months. So you still get access to the account for 3 to 6 months. I should say, your customer have access through your platform to their account for another 3 to 6 months. Now, this is where it gets a little bit better, because this first endpoint will create a thread post. Now, the Threads API divides creating a post into two different endpoints. The first one, they are going to be creating what they call a media container, which the media container, all it does is it allows threads to create package that they use on their second endpoint to publish that package. So they divide it up into two. A little bit weird, but nevertheless, we have created those endpoints, the configuration for you to be able to do it. And if you want, oh, let me go back. And this includes not only test posts, but you can also upload single video posts or single image posts into your application. That being said, we're going to look now into carousel posts. So these are posts that have 2 or more images. You can create those using this 3-step method that they have created in their API. First step, they're going to create a media container. The second step, upload the images. Third step, bring it all together and publish it. Some other endpoints that we have created are, you can retrieve a list of all users thread, followers, or people that you're following. You can create a list of all your posts. That's what it means. I apologize. You can retrieve all your posts, and you can retrieve a single post. More than likely, you will use that if a user click on one of the posts that is extracted from this endpoint. And lastly, a way to retrieve your user's own profile information into your application. That's what we have so far. We are adding another 5 or 6 different more endpoints before we are releasing this. But the biggest thing and the biggest takeaway is that this is brand new. There are many opportunities out there. We will come out with a second video here in a day or two that we will be talking about some of the business opportunities that come with the Threads API, how you can maximize this and how you can use this plugin to start your own business and perhaps sell it down the road or become a SaaS millionaire. It's up to you. No promises here. All I'm saying is that it's possible with this new API. There is a brand new market that is not being exploited because the API has been out for 38 days now. So not that long. This is your opportunity and we are making it really easy for you to navigate. Now, second part of this video, we're going to be talking about the template that we have coming out, which the Threads API would be part of. And this social media template, which we haven't named yet, is something along the lines of Buffer, Hootsuite. But basically, you can publish or schedule posts into applications, and it allows you to do other things like pull data from using the APIs. Will integrate artificial intelligence, ChatGPT more than likely, to write posts for your clients. Basically, this is a clone of Buffer or Hootsuite or many other similar applications. As of right now, we are still relatively early in the development. We are pushing for mid-August or the end of August. We don't know yet. But if you're interested in getting to know a little bit more, send us an email at jvasquez@hustlinglabs.com, and I will take your name and email address down, and I will send you an email when this template is ready. Perhaps I give it to you for free for watching this video. But that's all I had. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. There are many more videos in my channel, so make sure you go leave a like on this one and go and watch other videos so you learn more about Bubble and what we're building here. And if you like my content, hey, subscribe. There is nothing else you need to do. Just click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and again, I hope you have a great rest of your day.